We are at beauty school in Utah, which to me is the iconic beauty school. It's nestled in the mountains in Utah, all the snow, and of course Christmas explodes here, and then Young Living comes in and they drape it all in all the diamonds and the glitz and the glam, and so it is the one not to miss.
Coming to beauty school is a great experience.
There are so many women here that need healing, and beauty school does just that.
I love bringing my tribe, all of my girls. We love it, and it's a girls' weekend.
We had 15 people come from our team from different states, and it was fun to meet them and to meet other members.
You can find out other people, like where are you at in this journey? Are you a star? Are you a diamond? Are you executive? And how did you get there? And so it's been really, really good to have all of those tools to go back home and try to apply them with my team.
I've been to several other beauty schools, but this is my favorite one because of the intimacy and just being with Mary Young.
She always seems like this larger-than-life person, and then to see her so up close, like she was today, I just wanted to meet her.
You think that these speakers are coming up there, having it all together, and they know exactly what's going on, they've done everything, and they're amazing, and then you hear their stories, and you realize, I'm not the only one. I've been through that too, and she conquered it, and I can conquer it as well.
You see women of substance, and they're talking about what makes them beautiful is not that external pretty factor that we all go for in the billboards and magazines, but something that just resonates from the inside of them.
In the year that I've been a part of Young Living, all the products and all the information can get really overwhelming. And so I think coming here really helps concise the information down.
We're gonna have so many fun beauty school classes. I've learned about color matching.
Savvy about the line, how things work.
The other fun part of beauty school is that there's products here that you can only get exclusive to beauty school. The kit was awesome. We had some full-size products and then some sample products, some full-size makeup products in there, and the booklet with lots of information. It was definitely worth the money.
Fair to Flare was my favorite event, just because we all came in costume and we just let loose and had fun.
Everything's so fun. We got our ugly sweaters going on tonight.
We get to play, we get hand massages. So it's a really fun way of us all coming together and just having a good time.
I've gone to so many. I'm telling you right now, this one has been the best I've ever come to, and I am leaving a changed person.
It becomes a family community here with everyone looking out for each other, and it's wonderful. You will not be alone at beauty school, so just grab the ticket and come.
It's just all about coming here, having fun, just spreading the Young Living love.